Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Silo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. Guys, Babes Wodumo is trending after her performance at the Metro FM Awards, which were held last night. People were saying that the singer looked very much sad and empty during her performance at the ceremony. They have expressed so much concern over the singer's state of mind and well-being. You guys, one Twitter user shared a video of Babes Wodumo on stage and wrote, "If looks could talk." Basically, he was insinuating that Babes Wodumo is going through the most, you guys. So let me not waste your time. Please check out this video to see what I'm talking about of Babes Wodumo on stage with DJ Tira accepting an award.